Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we look at some other sections of the Reddit Ads platform, which is going to be account history, brand safety, and billing. So let's have a look at that. So when you go on the left panel under account, you will see history, which is basically going to be the logs, the account logs, the changes which we have done in the account, those gets logged over here like a timestamp. So you'll get to see the entity, the change type, what has been done, the activity which was done. Okay, and you can see the timestamp as well over here. This becomes really useful when you're doing some kind of an investigation. Let's say you're running some campaigns and the campaign performance has dropped. So then you can look at the history and understand what changes were done in the past which led to this specific drop in the performance. So that can be really useful. And then you can revert to the original settings as well after looking at the history. So that's the usage of history section. The second one is brand safety. So brand safety is primarily where you can choose the inventory or the kind of content to which you want to target your ads. So Reddit gives you two options over here. One is expanded inventory and a standard inventory. Expanded inventory is where we are trying to show our ads aggressively across bold content. And here it can be the content can be mild to moderate profanity, content that can reference to drugs or drug usage, okay, content that references to violence in the context of video games, movies, or TV. So if your business is related to all of that, then an expanded inventory is recommended. You can use that. Otherwise, in most of the cases, for most of the brands, the appropriate inventory would be standard inventory, which is looking at a broad areas of topics with light profanity and popularizing trends are seen over here. So this is where you can use that. And then you can also add any account exclusions, certain communities which you want to exclude, which are not relevant to your business, certain keywords which are not relevant to your business. Those can be added here so that your ads never appear on such kind of a content going forward. So that's the brand safety and suitability. The third is billing, where you get to see all the billing information, like what is the balance on your account right now. You want to make a payment, you want to change your bank details, all that you can do. If you get a promotional coupon code, you can apply that here in ad credit. You can add that, which can be used for advertising purposes. So these are all the billing related information you will get here. I hope this makes sense. You understand all the sections, all the three sections, and you can use them effectively for your business and for your clients.